Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to show or find page thumbnail in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and I'll show this PDF file page thumbnail left side. Yeah. And here you will find this arrow left corner and see this. And this is page thumbnail icon, click here. And this is page thumbnail and see this. Again check this page thumbnail bar and this is also you can increase decrease this page thumbnail area. Put your mouse cursor here and see this, and you can increase decrease this page thumbnail. Press control and rotate your mouse wheel and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.